Hello everybody, back again. So I may as well come back and finish what I was doing earlier. Screw it. Come back and finish what I was doing earlier. Yep. And whilst I remember, I have been informed I must inform people that I'm here. Because they want to be, I'm assuming because I want to trash talk me. Because that's what friends do, right? Where is Slack? Turn off that volume. Big fan of this playlist. Cool. So, oh, I do love that background. Not gonna lie. Angry Coffee Cup is personification of moi. Right, so where were we earlier? We were building the log generator for, well, the talk I'm giving in a little while. Okay, so I'll go find where we were. Okay, we appear to be... there we go. Cool, we actually still have log data. Cool. Now, if I was to do... Okay. It's been a little while since I've done Docker commands. The command of the evils. Docker. Docker build. So let's get it. Ooh, it blew up. No description. Keep forgetting it's strict. And then Docker. Nope. Docker PS. No. Docker list. Docker ls. You know what? Let's go to the command line. Docker help. Wrong mouse. It's like, unzip ice and I pick the wrong one. List containers, let's list all active containers. Docker start one or more of the stopped containers. Run a command in a new container. It's probably just, let's do Docker images. Whoa, okay. A lot of images. Probably need to nuke most of these. Some of them are old. Like ye old. Okay. Docker start. So used to just being lazy and using Docker Compose to do all this that I've actually forgotten all my Docker commands, other than nuking from high orbit and rebuilding. Docker start image. Docker run. Okay, cool. I knew it was Docker run. How did I manage to screw it up? Oh. It's Docker run, you need to be able to list the image. Right. Right, okay, cool. So back to CLI. Docker images, cool. It's the one I formed a few moments ago. So Docker run. You must. It needs permissions. Why didn't I think of that before? Right. Let's have a look at the man page for Docker run. Make sure I type in the envs correctly. Okay, so let's do Docker. Bam. Actually, the Docker run command, is it flags first? It's flags first. So, option. What do we call it in the code? Oh, okay. Simplify my life. Equals. And then I will want the second one, which is the listener as well. So let's grab the listener, and I've called that in both places. So it's picking up from my local environment the... Oh, yeah! Yeah. We have just dumped a whole bunch of stuff into Kibana. Let's see if we've got some stuff in Kibana. To be brutally honest, because it's on Docker, I could be, yay, woo! Logs from my machine, from the log generator 0.1. Being dumped in there. Excellent. We have some data. However, I'm pretty sure it's a better way of doing a cron, so I want it to be running continuously. Cron inside Docker. You can copy your cron tab onto the image. Okay. I do not like that. Let's go and have a look at the source material. Five years ago, oof. Run the command, startup. Do I want to run this on cron and just have it dealt with like that, or do we just have an infinite loop inside of the code that constantly does it? I feel evil, I feel bad, but I'm thinking I may go for the infinite scroll of doom. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's opt for a different way of doing it. And the ultimate problem. Docker containers that won't die. Fellow coding enthusiasts, how would you solve this problem? I'm totally not stuck, just unsure. Let's, screw it. Let's go with the Oive. Still won't die. Docker PS. Docker kill. And container ID. I think it's that. Cool. So that should have killed it. Okay. This is where it gets a little hokey. Const. So we're just going to have a controllable variable that we can monkey around with. So we want to have enough fake data to play with. So let's do that, and need to also make sure it doesn't flood. No, everything there should be quite hunky-dory, so set timeout. The callback will just be start script. And the timeout should be, yeah, just every 10 seconds it does its thing. And just to make my life easier, I'm just going to docker run help. Pretty sure it's build is the flag. You can tell it to just rebuild itself. Or not. Or is it docker build command that you can just get it to straight up execute? Or is that a docker compose thing? I think it may be a docker compose thing. Yeah. Docker build. This thing. Docker images. And we want to go. Haha. Boom. Oh, hello, chap. Didn't think I'd be seeing you. Thought you'd be beer in hand and chilled out. Okay, we appear to be getting our log information at multiple levels. Excelente. Docker PS. This is the one good thing that comes with being employed by somebody else these days. Not having to deal with clients. There we go. Do I miss my days as a freelancer? Consultant and all that jazz? Yes. Do I miss clients? No. Right. Okay. You know what? Let's just to make my life a little easier so I know what's going on. Console.log. Actually, no. Let's do it. This is console. No, not console. Why am I doing console? The whole point of this thing is it doesn't console. Debug. Run. Log generator. And if I run this over here, actually, yeah, no, let's try and run it on the same container. That's a big fat no. Now I need to go kill the thing. Docker images. Whoever said, like, Docker was cool, lied. More things I need to remember how to do. Docker, kill, clear, Docker build, this thing. Is it built? Excellent. Docker images. So grabbing the container ID for the image that was built 20 seconds ago, because that's how this works. If you can't tell, there is a thinly veiled layer of sarcasm in my voice. Excellent. So we've got the run log generator. Come on. Okay, it's only producing 4. Something seems odd here. Why is it producing 4 of them? Huh. I think I gone goofed somewhere. Oh no, there we go. Yeah, okay, so it is producing a random number of logs with a random selection of criteria. And they are... Please tell me... Hail Jeebus, do we have? Yes. Random log data, lots of it. Excellente. Is it formatting correctly? Brilliant. So the counter, debug level, I should really add a statement. I wonder if there is a node version of Faker. Oh. That would be a yes. Massive amounts of fake data. You know what would be interesting? If I added some... Ooh, yeah, that's interesting. Random git commit hash. Oof. Some odd reason, I like that idea. Shouldn't do that though. Alright, so faker it is. npm is a faker. Let's add that to it. Const faker. I think it was first introduced to faker years ago by the guys I used to hack with. And I really didn't get it back then. Nowadays? Oh yeah. Yep. Do I get it? Yep. Do I need to get it? Probably not. Quick. Localization. Ah, no, that's language localization. I don't want that. What the randomness? Give me the randoms. API method, that's what I'm after. Wonder what have I saved that somewhere? I probably should have done because I'm not a complete fool. Okay, let's see if I can find Kibana Geo. Right, let's look in the browser. You can see Kibana, a Geo IP map. Yes. Configure. Yes, I'm not worried about that. What I do want is what format does it expect it in? Aha! Continent code, and now does Faker give us a continent code? No, it gives us a country code, and then we can format that. So let's do that, shall we? Let's go with. Country. Country. Need to be able to type. Faker dot address dot country code. I think it's function. Sweet. Let's just name it correctly, and then coordinates. Then it's latitude and longitude. Figure dot address dot long. Is it lat long or long lat? I think it's lat long. Let's go with lat long. If I'm wrong, people will tell me. The point of doing all this online is so that I don't have to be the only person looking at this. People will tell me when I'm wrong. People enjoy making me look stupid and proving that I'm wrong. So let's go with this. Let's put some light on the subject as well. Subject with me, of course. Because it was aptly pointed out that earlier today, I do like being the center of attention. Devices. Guess, or we could just put some background light in. Very yellow. Very yellow. There we go. I need some proper lighting. Okay. Let's do this. Oh, yeah, I'm going to have to kill it, Yanana. Docker. No. Don't type your command there. Type your command here. Docker. PS. Docker. Kill. Container ID. Cool. Back here. Docker. Build. Cool. We have a build. Probably a good thing after just installing a brand new library. Successfully built. Cool. And then we want to go all the way up to the Docker. No. Docker run. Then. No, don't type in random junk. This is when having a full-size keyboard would be great, because then I can just skip to the end without dumping rando char in here. It's cool. Did I forget to press save? Oh my god. I forgot to press save, and now I'm going to have to go through that procedure again. Oh, somebody please. Please shoot me. Like, there we go. Kill that. Do this again. Honestly, I know what I'm doing. I think. Maybe. Cool. Grab that again. Try that. Yes, now we have coordinates. Excellent. Now, if we are in Kibana. I don't know why I'm saying it in a pseudo warrior samurai way. No, right. Gotta wait a few moments for this to actually propagate through, because it's how we roll. How is everybody doing this evening anyway? It's nearly the end of the working week. I'm doing this until this is done, and then I am well, off there, and then I'm on to recording my talk, where I'll be wearing my traditional Logs IA yellow rather than pandemonium. And I will, chill with the boys later. Literally, the TV program, The Boys. The actual boys that are available aren't drinking at the moment. You had a productive day, man. You actually managed to get a side project, like, nearly all the way there. You're one step away from disappointing people with quizzes that they can't win. And by disappointing people with quizzes they can't win, if we're using the database you previously had about football, I have no chance of answering a question unless it's from the late 90s. I've got more chance of naming mass singers at the moment than I have of knowing anything about football. It's like, yeah. Okay, cool. Country codes coming through, coordinates aren't coming through. Does that mean I can visualize this? Nope, dashboard's not visualized. Whoops. Create a visualization. Let's go with coordinate map, because we have coordinates. And then we're going to go geo coordinates, aggregation, geo hash, plate, geolocation, okay. I keep forgetting it encodes it based on the geo IP. Let's ignore that one then. Refresh. Create visualization. Where is... Ooh, a leverage map. Ooh, a leverage map. You have non-football questions? My god. Why wasn't that a thing before? Ooh, yeah, actually I need to fix that as well. Realization. I do not want all the data coming through. I only want... info. Let's go with info. I only want info and above. Also, thanks for giving me a chance, Jake. It'd be nice to have a clue. Jesus Christ, that image is 1 gig big? How the hell did I do that? What in the hell? What Docker? I think I may be using a Docker image which is a bit too fat for our needs. Yeah, let's change that. Docker node JS. Must be an Alpine or other version which is slightly less fatty. Nope. It's just going to tell me to continue using that. There we go. Let's go with the node one. Official node images. Excellent. That's what I want. 14. Ooh, 14's available. But I want slim. Alpine or slim? Alpine or slim? Alpine or slim? Let's try 14, 13 slim. Or 14 slim. Let's try for 14 slim. First things first. Kill the image. So do I have my Docker nuke command on here? Docker kill. No, Docker PS. Ah, there we go. Docker kill. Ah, it's dead. Right. Let's go back to Docker file. Let's go with node 14 slim. Docker build this thing. There we go, installing the almighty amounts of junk. Excellent, okay. Let's have a look at the Docker images, see if that one's skinnier than before. I want to know what the difference is between the slim and the not slim, because that's 700 megabytes of difference. The hell is installed on that thing? Jeez. Alright, okay, cool. Back to where we were. Yes, that command. You have the bridge. Boom. Let's run it. Are we still running? Are we? Are we? Add geo IP. Does that mean I need to build a custom index first? Quite possibly. Let's add a filter. Let's only include things with coordinates. Coordinate. What the hell did I call it? Alright. Let's add a country code. Refresh. Or not. GIP country name. Okay, so what I said earlier about having this pretty done, yeah, turns out I'm missing a big old piece of information that I want. Let's start with that. Add GeoJSON2 log file. Fine. GeoPoint type. Okay, so if I call great. It's the format of the data. Oh, it's the format of the data. Oh, woo, sigh. Location. Bum, bum. That. Long. Is that how it's displayed? Let's try that. And Docker images. No. Docker PS. Docker kill. Docker build. This thing. Oh, I was meaning to ask Jake, what the hell are you using as a camera setup? Because I noticed you're using a mirrorless SLR, but I couldn't tell which one it is, and I'm currently looking at one because I'm currently using a Logitech C920, and I've realised it's kind of crap. And by kind of, I mean very. Try this, boys. Just welcome for streaming, dude. Ah! I swear to God, I saw. Oh, are you still using the Logitech HD you had from years ago? Or it's just I swore I saw when you took a photo of your desk setup an actual camera. Ah, knew it. I knew there was a... Hang on. You use a different camera? You use a better camera for that than your stream? Why? £400, not bad. Oh, right. It doesn't have active charge over USB. And I'm assuming the ridiculous, like, USB power adapter things for the batteries are prohibitive in the fact that they have a bad habit of exploding and all that jazz. Oh, close Cabana, the thing I need to look at, because I am stupid. Right. Let's see if we're producing... Seriously? That is oddly surprising. Okay. So... add filter. Alright. That means I need to force it to bloomin' field not indexed. Cool, so it's re-indexed down. Does that mean I can do field? Actually, no, I want to do that on the country code. Just make sure it's... Oh god, all the data is battery. Battery? All the country data is Gumph, isn't it, from Faker? No, that's not going to work. Right, let's go straight for the visualization then. See if we can get that to work. Oh wow! Jeez! How much... What the hell is that sensor attempting to do? I am attempting to scan your mind. Nope. You're kidding me. I think I'm gonna cry after all this. It wants us a string. Oh. Yeah, that's not annoying me at all. Yeah. However, this playlist is an utter banger. Docker PS. Docker Kiln 4D. Autocomplete was not playing nice there. Docker build this junk. Cool. We have an image. Boom. And we have some log data in the log hash string. Let's go back to the. I wait until the log data returns. The joys of SaaS products, they're designing themselves for scale. The fact that yeah, you have to wait for the data to aggregate through the service. Especially on a shared cluster, you just have to wait the 1 minute tick for everything to have come through. Just check it's actually still live. Yeah, it's still live, still producing random amounts of data. Complete randomness. Ooh la la. Something has gone on Fuji. I'm getting the impression that this thing's not going to have been able to work out. The hell's going on? Intriguing. Oh, good lord, it's not going to be because none of the bloody logs are coming through as... No. Info and above. Yeah, there's some info in there, okay. There we go. Spark of Zedidar. Ah, lord. Alright. Let's kill it anyway. Start again. Darker. PS. Docker kill. Let's double check. That is a latitude and longitude string. Docker build. Cool. Wonder why no data. Okay, let's... Docker PS. More killing. Docker kill. Let's return to good old-fashioned JavaScript because I know what's going on here. Cool. Location, string, country code, etc. That's not liking it, but if I remove the location, do we suddenly have an uptick in data? Map a object for location trying to pass field as object, but found the problems. Think I may need to did parsing. Generator. Next. So it's not picking up that in the sample to be able to do the job. Right. Awkwards. I feel like a change of pace. Now let's go with lo-fi. Okay, so it's picking those up. Save that, see if it's going to be carrying on. Excellent. Juicing guitar. See if it's going to do anything. Okay, so it's dying because location. Let's try it this way, shall we? Oh god, it's not hot post. Okay, so field mapping. Right, okay, here lies the problem. I need to change my mapping. Okay. Right. You know what? That is now going to be working, but I'm just going to have to wait for the index to restart. So, you know what, ladies and germs? I think we're good. We now have a Docker image that produces data, and I turn on Docker image regardless of what service and infrastructure I put it on, and it dumps stuff. That's what I needed. Yeah, so I am going to leave it as is. I'm going to go crack myself open a beer. I'm going to chill out for a little while. And then I'm going to change t-shirt, get back onto this computer and record a video for a conference next week called DevOps Enterprise something. DOIS conference. Actually, my boss shared me the link yesterday. Let's have a look, shall we? Sure, water. Enterprise Summit. This is the badger. So yeah, I've got to record a talk for this, which happens to be next week. Literally, I need to record this tonight so that my editor can have it on Sunday to fix up. So, yeah, thank you everybody who's tuned in. I am Mike Elsmore, and I am done. A good night, a goodbye, thank you, exit, good night, you may leave, thank you very much, bye.